There are two kinds of jump smashes in badminton. Type 1, I made a good shot. Opponent lift high. I have lots of time. I go there and then jump, smash forward. That's type 1. I have lots of time. That is condition. Type 2, I made a good shot. And opponent return is weak. Not too high, not too deep, be short. At that time, I smash immediately. There, bang, and then ready. And same, shuttle is a bit short. Instead of making steps, I smash immediately, so opponent doesn't have time to return it.